Hello people, today we are doing something really special. Today we are scaling the Giganotosaurus from Jurassic World Dominion and Chaos Theory, like basically Zeb, and we are putting him on the island, on the planet FMM UV from the game Carnivores Dinosaur Hunter, mainly the mobile version. So, what are we doing specifically? We are going to put him on Fort Kisken, one of the islands, and we're going to put him in the island with all dinosaurs active to see if he survives. His stats, let's start with his stats. Now, in the series and movie, he's about 9 tons. He's bulky but still agile at fighting. And he's debatably the best combatant in the franchise since he beat the strongest version of Rexy quite easily, with Rexy landing only one bite, which means like his stats are already large building level. He also did the same on Chaos Theory, and it's not even unique to it since the prologue Giganotosaurus did the same with not Rexy but another really strong Tyrannosaurus Rex. So they have good scaling. Although they don't have a lot of feats, the feats he has are really good. His armor is insanely good for taking bites, slashes and brute force hits. And his bite, as we saw in the movie, is enough to end Tyrannosaurus in a few bites, especially if they are in critical spots, and destroy a metal cage in Dominion, if you remember, guys. So that is his scaling. So can he survive the island? So for today we are putting him against the planet FMM UV. He first starts with a Parasaurolophus. His first day is easy. He hunts the Parasaurolophus. He might face up with an Ankylosaurus, but he wouldn't have a really crazy problem. The next day he would face up against Stegosaurus. Now the fun starts. A Stegosaurus on this planet can grow to 11 tons, a fully grown one. So yeah, it's not going to be so easy for him, but due to his experience, he might overpower the alien. On his next day, he would face his first carnivore challenge, the Allosaurus of the island. The Allosaurus of the island is smaller than the real life version, so he would one-shot the poor Allosaurus. And also he would find a good food source by Amargosaurus since they can't really fight back in the game, and they are a really big and easy meal for our boy Giganotosaurus or Zeb. On the next day, he would face up against the Spinosaurus. A fully grown one can reach about 11 tons. The challenge begins here. Although the Spinosaurus, especially fully grown, would be around kinda a bit smaller than the Giganotosaurus, since on this island they are smaller than the real life version. Not the biggest threat on the island, but it wouldn't really be the best fight. So after he wins, he would have to recover. So to recover, he would find a Chasmosaurus to eat. A Chasmosaurus wouldn't really put a great fight, so Zeb would win. The other day after healing up, he would face himself against an Iguanodon, which he would easily take down since the Iguanodon doesn't have a lot of weapons. The next day, things become interesting. A 9-ton Ceratosaurus, the second strongest apex predator in the island, would face him. A 9 tons is a fully grown one. The clash would be brutal, with both landing hands biting each other and facing like territorial monsters. Giga would probably get his advantage though, based on his combat feats, but it would still be a gnarly fight, close to extreme or high extreme diff. After that, he would need to go back since he would understand he's too wounded to go further to the island. After 2 days of healing completely, he goes far further. There he finds the main and strongest apex predator of this planet, the alien himself, the Tyrannosaurus Rex of the game. The T-Rex, a fully grown one, can a really healthy fully grown one max could reach 12 meters. He would have a problem since the T-Rex would weigh more and would be a bit taller than him. Also, his bites wouldn't do insane damage since the armor of the T-Rex is unbreakable almost if you don't hit his weak spot. So yeah, he would lose badly to that fight, but he would still bite, clash heads to heads, do what he can to defeat the T-Rex, but mainly the T-Rex would put him down with mid-high difficulty since his armor, size advantage, and overall brute strength would give him the advantage. So he would live at least 2 weeks, but it's probably not going to be really easy since he would face a lot of monsters in the way. Don't forget to subscribe and like.